What platform can you host an online course on? Before you start looking at individual platforms, you need to know there are 4 different types of platforms that you can consider hosting your courses from, and they have very different pros and cons and can mean the success or the total failure of your online course, coaching program or membership. First of the 4 types of platforms that you can consider is a marketplace, an online course marketplace. For example, like Udemy. Udemy is like the supermarket of the online course world. You can put any of your courses on this platform completely free of charge, and you get your courses exposed to all of the students who are already registered as users on that platform. Over 40 million students, I would like to point out. So it's a really great place for you to get exposure. However, the cons of that particular platform are that you do not get your students' email addresses. You cannot communicate with them in all of the ways that you could if you were on your own platform. They are Udemy students, not your own students. And there are a lot of rules that you have to meet in terms of the type of content you can create, whether or not you can promote to those people, and whether you can upsell other services to them. So I'd recommend for a platform like a marketplace, definitely use them. They are fantastic, an amazing springboard to getting yourself out to a new audience of people. However, I would keep those courses to your lower priced offerings because the platform will discount them considerably, and you do not want to be devaluing your content or only receiving a few dollars for a program that elsewhere you're selling for a much higher amount of money. So marketplaces is the first one. The second one is a learning management system. These are the ones that you may have seen, such as Thinkific, Teachable, Podia, LearnWorlds, excellent platforms that focus just on that learning management capability. So things like being able to host your courses, upload all of your content. It's where the students can create their login, view your courses, and you usually have some degree of communication with those students on that platform, as well as the course landing page itself. However, limitations with those platforms are that you usually get charged more and more each month based on how many contacts you have, how many students you have, how many courses you have, and so on. So the prices for those can considerably creep up over time as your business grows. However, pros of them are they're quite simple and you can brand them all as your own platform. The third type of the 4 types of platforms that you can consider for your courses is something called a website plugin. These always look very attractive up front because they're super cheap. However, WordPress plugins or website plugins can have some challenges associated with them. For a start, you do need to be slightly techie because you're going to be self-managing that plugin, its installation and its maintenance. It looks cheap up front because you usually then need lots of additional other plugins and tools that you have to pay monthly fees for individually to make the whole course business work. So for instance, you may need external video hosting software, which can be very expensive, because if you're uploading videos and large size resources to your website, you're going to also massively slow your website speed down, which could crash your website, not to mention reduce your Google ranking as well. So I would recommend be wary of the plugins, as attractive as they might seem at the beginning with that upfront cheap price. Long term, they can cost you a lot of time, money and headaches and all the additional tools that you're going to need to pull together in the back end. Now, the 4th type of platform is something called an all-in-one platform. One that you may have heard of that is almost an all-in-one platform is Kajabi, and the one that I absolutely love and highly recommend, and yes, I'm biased, is Techmatics. Techmatics is truly an all-in-one course creation platform, CRM and marketing platform. Unlike all of the other 3 that I've just mentioned that will require you to have a separate website, some kind of separate funnel building software, some kind of email marketing platform, separate calendar appointments, and lots more, Techmatics, on the other hand, absolutely has every tool that you need to run your business in one place with one login for one monthly fee. So Techmatics not only is your full LMS, it has every feature and function that a learning management system has, including being able to create unlimited courses with unlimited students, unlimited memberships, upload unlimited products, and no, your monthly fee does not go up when your number of students or the number of courses or products that you sell goes up, meaning you can scale without having to worry about scaling prices as well. Techmatics is also your website, your funnel builder, your course builder, your form builder, it's your affiliate management program. It has inbuilt communities. Unlike the other platforms that will charge you extra for community features, Techmatics has it included. It's also got an admin app for you and a student app for your students. And yes, your student app is branded in your branding. So when your student picks up their phone, it's your logo that they see on their phone. And when they log in, they can see all of your courses that they've purchased, watch them on that platform. And also they can see all of your courses or products that they haven't yet purchased, meaning you're going to make lots of in-app sales, hopefully. Techmatics is also your calendar and appointment booking system. So you can create unlimited calendars for one-on-one appointments, group classes, in-person events, online events, summits. You also can create unlimited users and staff behind the scenes. So if you've got staff that you want to help you manage your social media or manage your emails or manage your course creation, you can set their permissions accordingly in the user management section so that you have full control over your business as well. We also have social media schedulers inside Techmatics as well. So it connects to your social media accounts. You can go in and use AI or upload your original social media content, and it will auto post that content for you across all of your social media channels at the date and times that you choose, taking all of the social media posting tools costs away from you as well and totally automating your business. It also brings in all of your inboxes into one place and stores all of your customer communication into one inbox. So if somebody messages you on Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger or SMS or email, that communication will store inside the client's contact record. So all comms is going to be in one place, no matter where they're messaging you from or where you are messaging them from. Game changer. You can obviously leave detailed notes inside those customer records as well, meaning it's going to be so much easier for you to keep track of communications that you're having with your leads and customers. And talking of leads and customers, we also have a full sales pipeline system in there. You can create unlimited pipelines, great for tracking your sales and showing where people are at in your customer journey. Now that doesn't even scrape the tip of the surface. There are way more features and functions inside Techmatics, but I think you get the point here that with all-in-one, we really do mean every tool you need in your business is in one place. You can get rid of all of your other subscriptions. And in fact, many of our users are saving thousands of dollars a year from just having their subscriptions all in one place. So I hope that answers your question a little bit at first as to those four major types of platforms, different pros and cons to them all. If you've got further questions you want to ask about each of those different types of platforms and which one is best to suit you, please do pop them in the comments and I will answer those for you. And if you want to finally create your own profitable online courses, a coaching program or a membership, come and join my Concept to Course group coaching program. Come and join the waitlist or jump in the next round. And I cannot wait to hold your hand, personally mentor you and help you and a small group of others get through the process of planning your course, coming up with the content, filming the content, editing the content, and getting all your tech done, and learning the marketing so that you can really make this a success to train, educate, help, support, and guide as many people around the world as you possibly can. I'll see you there.